Hey everyone, welcome back to Hooked on Miracles, and today we are making a balaclava, or like a little head covering that you wear in the winter time where only like your eyes are showing and the rest is covered. So that's what we are making today, and we have this yarn right here. This is Karen's Simply Soft yarn. It is very soft like they say, and yeah, so the stitches we're going to be using for this pattern is double crochet and slip stitch, and that's it. So we have our chain and our hook, and we're going to chain up 4 for our foundation chain, and we're going to slip stitch into that first chain we made. Once we have that, we're going to chain up 2, which counts as our first double crochet, and then we're going to do 11 more double crochets into the center of this loop. I know you can't really see it, but it's there. So we're going to do 11 double crochets to equal a total of 12. Okay, so now we have our 12, and we're going to slip stitch at the top of that first double crochet we made. And we're going to pull tight to make sure our hole is closed in the middle. Now we have a circle. Now we're going to chain 2, which counts as our first double crochet, and we're going to make another double crochet into that same stitch, into that same space, and we're going to do 2 double crochets in each stitch around. Once you make that last double crochet. We're going to slip stitch into the top of the first double crochet, and here we are. Row 2 is complete. Row 3, chain 2, and do another double crochet into that same stitch. In the next space, we're gonna do 1 double crochet. In the next stitch, 2 double crochets, and that will be the pattern for the rest of this row. So 2 double crochets, next space 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets, 1 double crochet. So 2, next one gets 1, next one gets 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, Once you finish that third row, we're going to slip stitch, chain 2, fourth row, 2 double crochets in the first stitch. Then we're going to do 2 double crochets in the next 2 stitches. Well, 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches. So 1 double crochet, next stitch 1 double crochet, then the next one 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 2. once you finish the 4th row, you slip stitch at the top of that first double crochet. Okay, and this is where you kind of want to measure it to see if you think it's wide enough for your head. If you want to do one more row, I think I would do one more row because this yarn is a little bit smaller than the regular yarn I usually use. So I want to do one more row. Now this row starts off with 2 double crochets in the first stitch, and then we're gonna do 3 double crochets within the next 3 stitches. 1 double crochet in the next 3 stitches. So 1, 2, 3, then 2 double crochets in the same stitch after that 3rd one. So we got 1, 2, 3, then 2 double crochets in the same stitch after. One, 2, 3, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. One, 2, and 3, 1, 2. Now we're at the end of row 5. We're going to slip stitch into the top of that first double crochet we made. So now this is how big I wanted the top to be for my head. And now the rest of these rows is gonna be a continuation of just 1 double crochet around each row. So you start with your chain 2 and you do 1 double crochet in each stitch around, and when you get to the length that you want, then that's it. So I'm going to show you guys when I get like halfway down to where I want the eyes to be. I'm going to show you guys how to do that. So I'll be back with that part in part 2.